I cannot believe we're about to do this. Hey everyone, so a quick note. I look really busted in this video that you're about to see. Like, I'm talking, I got bags. My facial expressions are a little too much. I really don't have to explain myself, but here I am, you know? And my face looks super bad. And I decided, hey, I look super bad. Let's flash an LED on my face. So it makes it 100 times worse. But anyways, I'm glad you're here. As always, I'm so happy you're here. You know, sit down, relax. I look psycho this whole time. So just be warned. Like I said, I really don't have to explain myself, but as a fair warning, I decided to make this video. And so I wouldn't really have to put text, so y'all had to read it. This is me telling y'all, like I still look busted, so, but here, because the light's on my face, it looks so bad. You know, I am taking care of my skin, okay, and everything, alright? But as a female, we get busted once in a while, and it's fine, okay? So just take a deep breath and mentally prepare for what you're about to see. Alright, I love you, grab a snack, and enjoy. So I recorded a vlog. We went to downtown to try out the scooter, the San Antonio birds, and what an experience. This is the San Antonio scooters, and it's going pretty interesting. It's kind of hard.
Hey y'all, go check out my YouTube channel.
Yeah, I know.
It will be linked in the description.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
let's do it.
Woo! Let's try not to fall.
On our asses.
At the most, we lasted probably like 20 minutes, a little over 20 minutes on these things. So on the way, we bumped into an old friend of ours from work. Say hi, Ben.
Hi.
Honestly, it was really scary, okay? Let's be real. It was late at night, and two girls out in San Antonio, downtown San Antonio. That's a bit crazy, don't you think? And the scooters were going really fast. It even said we were supposed to wear helmets, and, you know, we went for it. Please don't arrest me. Or us. As I was editing, I realized, you know what? This is not enough. This vlog is not enough. So I thought of the brilliant idea to go to Party City and buy some makeup to do some Halloween makeup of none other than Pennywise. 2017 version. I love my Pennywise. I have me a Pennywise here. I love him so much. Look, I went all out, guys. So I even got the hair color spray. Can I like break it open with my foot? Wow, my foot's powerful.
I'm so dramatic.
I feel like my hair is too dark anyways. I'm gonna look like a Cheez-It. Can I put fail in the caption? Yeah, let's talk about how good the new It movie was. It was freaking amazing if you ask me. Pennywise's makeup was very full coverage. I have yet to ask him what brand he was using. I know very well that people have done this, alright? But listen, I'm not a makeup artist, alright? So
this one's not gonna be good.
this is like a dream come true. I love Pennywise. Like, I could have done this a long time ago because the movie came out like last year, so wow. Okay, the coverage is starting to look kind of better, let's be honest. But guess what? My eyebrows are still here. I don't know how Pennywise does it every single day. This must be tiring. It's starting to get more orange. Should I have concealed my eyebrows first? Yeah! This is a video I'm gonna look back at and really wonder, did I really lose my mind? I don't know what point in my life I've reached, but I don't think this is a good point. But yeah, so let's talk about how good the movie was. And the soundtrack is so spooky. It's just basically like the music that was playing throughout the scenes and stuff in the movie. I don't know, I just feel like remakes are the wave. To be honest, remakes are awesome, and like it's clear because technology is much better. But this movie was so good. Like, the kid actors, freaking awesome. Like, the entertainment of the whole thing. Bill, the one who played It. Oh my god. I love Eddie. Eddie was my favorite. Oh my god, it's starting to look better. This is starting to look really good. Look at this coverage. On the pictures, it looks like the makeup was more full coverage, and
I feel scammed.
Let me go in with the black. This is crazy. Oh my god, I look like Pennywise. Okay. I don't know how to come up from this, but see, beauty gurus would actually use their real makeup, and I went to Party City, not sponsored, and bought this. It's uneven. I look like... Why am I being so negative? Girl, this gonna look poppin'. Pennywise is going to be shook. Oh my god, I actually look like Pennywise now. Honestly, I just want to thank my mom. I'm flexing on everyone now. Oh my god. This is... Looks like I got a bunny nose. Oh my god. Wait, it kind of looks good. I said that like maybe 10 times, but it's fine. Like, I would stretch it out more, but I haven't expanded my forehead enough, like Pennywise's. No offense, Pennywise, but you got like an 8 head. I'm gonna see what my mom thinks. Come here!
It looks cool. The hair looks good.
Right? I don't know, I guess this is it. This has been fun. I look like Pennywise, look. I am going to start finding an actual like thing for my channel. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just really wanted to get the ball rolling and start posting and start getting an audience that will like enjoy watching me. So I realized I have a candy in my mouth. I realized I did not shoot an outro. Like, I didn't say bye. Like, I didn't say holla. So that's why I'm here right now, saying it. Holla, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and you know, I know it hasn't been a lot of people, but for the people who have been watching and like hyping everything up and saying they're happy that I finally started YouTube, thank you so much. It means so much. Y'all have no idea. Yeah, so bye. See y'all in the next video. I'm not gonna tell you when it is because sometimes it takes longer than I think to post, so yeah. But I love you so much. This is a heart. And bye.